Hello everyone, welcome you back in my geography class. I hope all of you are doing well. Today we will discuss on the topic of measurement of human development from the chapter Human Development of class 12. In our earlier videos, we have discussed about the approaches to human development. Now today we will know that how can we measure human development. To measure human development, we use certain dimensions, and today we will know about those dimensions. First, let us know what do you mean by Human Development Index. Human Development Index. This is a statistic composite index of life expectancy, education, where we take into account adult literacy rate, gross enrollment ratio, and net attendance ratio, and per capita income indicators which are used to rank countries in the 4-tier of human development. So, the Human Development Index is a statistic composite index of life expectancy, education, where we include adult literacy rate, gross enrollment ratio, and net attendance ratio, and per capita income indicators, which are used to rank countries in the 4-tier of human development. That means the countries are given ranks on the basis of its attainment in the key areas of life expectancy, education, and per capita income. Now, these rankings are based on a score between 0 to 1, which is achieved by a country from its record in the key areas of human development. On the basis of the score between 0 to 1, we can rank a country, that whether that country is having higher human development or whether that country is having lower human development. Like if a country, if the score is closer to 0, that means that country have low level of human development. And if a country has a score closer to 1, that means it has high level of human development. For example, a country is having a HDI score of 0983. That means this country is having high level of human development. And if the score is 0.268, that means it has low level of human development. Now let us know that which are the indicators that are used to measure Human Development Index. Now let us know the indicators that are used to rank the countries, or we can say the key areas of human development, or the indicators which are used to measure the Human Development Index. The first key area in the human development is to live long and healthy life. that means health. Now, how do we measure health? Health is measured by the life expectancy at birth rate. That means to assess health, the data provided by the life expectancy at birth rate is taken into consideration. Now, what do you mean by life expectancy at birth rate? This means how long on average a newborn is expected to live. So it's taken into consideration that how long on average a newborn is expected to live. The next key area in the human development is education. Now, how do we assess education? To assess education, we have to look for the number of adults who are able to read and write. We will also look for expected years of schooling of children at school enter age and the mean years of schooling of the adult population. So to assess education, we have to look for the number of adults who are able to read and write, expected years of schooling of children at school enter age, and mean years of schooling of the adult population, which will give us information that how many people are getting the chance to get educated in a country. Now let us move ahead with the next key area of human development. The next key area in the human development is decent standard of living. Now, to assess decent standard of living, what we do? We measure the gross national income per capita for price level of the country. Now, what do you mean by the per capita, or as we say the per capita income? It is referred as the average income, and which is obtained by dividing the national income with the population size. Now, here what we consider? We consider a basket with the amount of goods and services that can be purchased by 1 unit of currency. Now, every country has its own basket value on the basis of its varying currency. So, per capita income is another important indicator that is used to measure human development index, and which gives us an information that what is the condition of the people living in one particular country, how is their standard of living, and this can be well assessed by what? By the per capita income. Now, this dimensions has been given certain weightage. Now, let us know what weightage has been given to this dimension. So, each of these dimensions is given a weightage of 1/3. So if we say what is Human Development Index, it is sum of the weightage or the weights assigned to each dimensions, or we can say that the key areas of human development. Now, so what is Human Development Index? We can say that it is a sum of the weights assigned to each dimension. Now, human development is not the most reliable method to measure human development. Here we can get an information that what has been achieved by a country in the key areas of human development, but we do not get to know the distribution of each dimension, whether they are equally distributed or not. Let me explain you with the help of an example. Suppose there are two countries. One is India and other one is China. Now both of them has the same score, that is 0.93, 0.93. Now what does it reflect? It reflects that both of them have high level of human development. But we cannot get the accurate information of the distribution in the areas of education, access to resources, and health. So to deal with this situation, we have another method to measure human development, and that is Human Poverty Index. Let us know about Human Poverty Index. Human Poverty Index. Now, Human Poverty Index is related to the Human Development Index. Why? Because here in the Human Development Index, what do we get to know? What it shows? It shows the attainments in human development. And the Human Poverty Index shows the shortfalls in human development. This is a non-income measure where we look for the probability of not surviving till the age of 40, the adult illiteracy. It looks for the number of people who do not have access to clean water and the number of small children who are underweight. So these are the dimensions that are taken into account of Human Poverty Index: the probability of not surviving till the age of 40, adult illiteracy, number of people who do not have access to clean water, and number of small children who are underweight. Now this index, Human Poverty Index, is more reliable method. Now, who published the Human Development Report? Since 1990, UNDP that stands for United Nation Development Program. Every year they publish the Human Development Report. And Human Development Index and Poverty Index, these are the two indices which are used to measure human development by the United Nations Development Program. So what we have learned here, we have learned that Human Development Index and Human Poverty Index are the two methods by which we measure the human development. Now the way by which we measure human development, it is constantly been changing, and we will see that research are going on so that we can find out different new ways by which different new elements of human development can be measured. And now let us know about the gross national happiness, which has been proclaimed by Bhutan. Gross national happiness is another measure of assessing human development, and Bhutan is the only country in the world to measure the country's progress through gross national happiness. The gross national happiness encourages the qualitative aspect of development. Material progress and technological developments are approached more cautiously, taking into consideration the possible harm they might bring to the environment or the other aspects of cultural and spiritual life of the Bhutanese. This simply means that material progress cannot come at the cost of happiness. Gross national happiness encourages us to think of the spiritual, non-material, and qualitative aspects of development. I hope everyone understood what we have discussed in this video. In today's video, we have discussed about the Human Development Index, that is the way by which we measure human development. We also discussed about the Human Poverty Index, and also we came to know about the gross national happiness. Now what you will do, you will read your books, and also you will follow the PDF that has been provided in the description box. I hope you all understood it very well. Now what you will do, you will read your books, and also you will follow the PDF that has been provided in the description box. If you have any problem or any suggestion, do comment in the comment box given below. If you like my video, do share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel and do hit the bell icon to get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. Stay tuned. I will be back soon with a new topic on this chapter. Till then, take care and stay safe. Thank you.